Yeah, okay, so this is at Haval in Pietermaritzburg. The guys were telling me that they had some sweet deals going on here, but it seems as if it was a lot sweeter than expected. So, whole bunch of visitors. We're going to have to take these girls away before someone gets stung and make sure that they get moved out safely. Yeah, you can see the Haval in the background. Beautiful P series. Come and grab one. Have a look. These guys are help us save the bees. So let's support those that support conservation. We'll let you know how it goes. Okay, go for a second scoop on those ones that you left behind. High up. Yeah. And then the ones right on top. Awesome. Well done. Yeah, much better. Okay, now close the lid. Close the lid. Okay, now let the other bees congregate around there.
So I found the queen. She's inside there now.